Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Nepali with Barsha. Today I'm back with a new session on 25 most used verbs in Nepali language. As you all know, verb is a very important part of a sentence, so it's very necessary to know the verb as much as possible. Today I have collected the most used verb in our daily life. I hope this video will be very useful. Before going ahead, if you are new in our channel, please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And yes, if you enjoy this session at the end, please do not forget to hit the like button. Now, without any delay, let's start our session 25 most used verb in Nepali language. The first verb is sutnu. Sutnu. Sutnu, to sleep. Let's learn one sentence with the verb sutnu. मलाई आज एकदम सुत्न मन लाग्यो. मलाई आज एकदम सुत्न मन लाग्यो. मलाई आज एकदम सुत्न मन लाग्यो. I really want to sleep today. Moving on to the next. To wake up. उठ्नु. उठ्नु. Let's learn sentence for उठ्नु. भोलि हामी सबैजना सबेरै उठ्नु पर्छ. भोलि हामी सबैजना सबेरै उठ्नु पर्छ. भोलि हामी सबैजना सबेरै उठ्नु पर्छ. Tomorrow we all have to get up early. Here the word sabere means early, which can be only used for early morning. Moving on to the next. खाना पकाउनु. खाना पकाउनु, to cook food. आमाले आज कस्तो मिठो खाना पकाउनु भएको थियो. आमाले आज कस्तो मिठो खाना पकाउनु भएको थियो. आमाले आज कस्तो मिठो खाना पकाउनु भएको थियो. What a delicious meal mom cooked today. Here, the word kasto is used to emphasize an adjective. Here, used adjective is mito, so kasto mito means what a delicious meal. Moving on to the next, office janu, to go office. We do have the word for office in Nepali, which is karyalaya, karyalaya, but these days in the city area, people often use word office, so I have used here office. हामी भोलि पनि अफिस जानु पर्छ. हामी भोलि पनि अफिस जानु पर्छ. हामी भोलि पनि अफिस जानु पर्छ. We have to go to office tomorrow too. Moving on to the next verb, किताब पढ्नु. किताब पढ्नु. किताब पढ्नु, to read book. हामीले धेरै नेपाली किताब पढ्यौं. हामीले धेरै नेपाली किताब पढ्यौं. हामीले धेरै नेपाली किताब पढ्यौं. We read many Nepali books. Moving on to the next, the verb is luga thunu. This verb is used often in our daily life. Luga thunu, to wash clothes. The sentence with luga thunu is उहाँले मेरो सबै लुगा धुनु भयो. उहाँले मेरो सबै लुगा धुनु भयो. उहाँले मेरो सबै लुगा धुनु भयो. He washed all my clothes. Now the verb to clean house is घर सफा गर्नु. घर सफा गर्नु. दिदीले आएर सबै घर सफा गर्नुभयो. दिदीले आएर सबै घर सफा गर्नुभयो. दिदीले आएर सबै घर सफा गर्नुभयो. Here, the word didi means elder sister, whereas in this context, didi means housemaid. Housemaid came and cleaned all the house. नेपाली पढाउनु, or नेपाली सिकाउनु, नेपाली पठाउनु or नेपाली सिकाउनु. These both words means to teach, but often पठाउनु is used to teach the academic things, whereas सिकाउनु is used to teach the skills. Here Nepali is a language, so over here Nepali सिकाउनु will be much better. उहाँले सिकाउनु भएको सबै नेपाली व्याकरण महत्त्वपूर्ण छ. उहाँले सिकाउनु भएको सबै नेपाली व्याकरण महत्त्वपूर्ण छ. उहाँले सिकाउनु भएको सबै नेपाली व्याकरण महत्त्वपूर्ण छ. All Nepali grammar taught by him or her is important. Over here, व्याकरण, the word व्याकरण means grammar and महत्त्वपूर्ण means important. The next verb is to plant vegetables. तरकारी रोप्नु, तरकारी रोप्नु. फुर्सदको समयमा उहाँलाई तरकारी रोप्न मन पर्छ. फुर्सदको समयमा उहाँलाई तरकारी रोप्न मन पर्छ. फुर्सदको समयमा उहाँलाई तरकारी रोप्न मन पर्छ. In his spare time, he likes to plant vegetables. Here, spare time means फुर्सदको समयमा. Moving on to the next, to cut hair, कपाल काट्नु, कपाल काट्नु. आज उहाँले कपाल काट्नु भएछ. आज उहाँले कपाल काट्नु भएछ. आज उहाँले कपाल काट्नु भएछ. Today he got a haircut. The next verb is जुत्ता किन्नु, जुत्ता किन्नु, to buy shoes. The sentence using जुत्ता किन्नु is जुत्ता पुरानो भयो, त्यसैले म नयाँ जुत्ता किन्छु. जुत्ता पुरानो भयो, त्यसैले म नयाँ जुत्ता किन्छु. जुत्ता पुरानो भयो, त्यसैले म नयाँ जुत्ता किन्छु. Over here, जुत्ता means shoe and नयाँ means new. And the word त्यसैले is a conjunction which means so. The shoes are old, so I will buy new ones. The next verb is कापीमा लेख्नु, कापीमा लेख्नु. Here, the word notebook means कापी, ma means in. So in Nepali language, we often connect the preposition behind the noun or pronoun. So the preposition in English, in Nepali, it becomes postposition. कापीमा लेख्नु, and लेख्नु is to write. The sentence using the verb कापीमा लेख्नु is उसले कापीमा कति राम्रो अक्षर लेखेको छ. उसले कापीमा कति राम्रो अक्षर लेखेको छ. उसले कापीमा कति राम्रो अक्षर लेखेको छ. What a beautiful handwriting he has written on the notebook. The next verb is खाना खानु, खाना खानु, to eat food. Let's learn a sentence using the verb खाना खानु. भोलि तपाईं मेरो घरमा खाना खान आउनुस् न है. भोलि तपाईं मेरो घरमा खाना खान आउनुस् न है. भोलि तपाईं मेरो घरमा खाना खान आउनुस् न है. Tomorrow, please come to my house for dinner. To drink water, पानी पिउनु. Even though Nepalese people will say पानी खानु, but we do have a word for to drink, पानी पिउनु. गर्मी समयमा धेरै पानी पिउनु पर्छ. गर्मी समयमा धेरै पानी पिउनु पर्छ. गर्मी समयमा धेरै पानी पिउनु पर्छ. One should drink a lot of water during summer. Here, garmi samaya means summer. Moving on to the next, हात धुनु. This is very handy verb nowadays after pandemic. हात धुनु, to wash hands. बाबु नानीहरू, खाना खानु अघि हात धुनु पर्छ है. बाबु नानीहरू, खाना खानु अघि हात धुनु पर्छ है. बाबु नानीहरू, खाना खानु अघि हात धुनु पर्छ है. Children, please wash your hands before eating. Now, the next verb is to turn on the light. Batti balnu. Batti balnu. Let's learn a sentence. कोठा भित्र गएपछि बत्ती बाल्नु होला. कोठा भित्र गएपछि बत्ती बाल्नु होला. कोठा भित्र गएपछि बत्ती बाल्नु होला. Please turn on the light after entering the room. Here, if you just want to know the meaning of word bhitra, then it means inside. To sell fruits. फलफुल बेच्नु. फलफुल बेच्नु. Now let's learn sentence with फलफुल बेच्नु. उहाँले ताजा फलफुल बेच्दै हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँले ताजा फलफुल बेच्दै हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँले ताजा फलफुल बेच्दै हुनुहुन्छ. He is selling fresh fruits. Here, the word taza means fresh. Now, the next verb is cycle chalaunu. Cycle chalaunu. The word chalaunu can be ride or drive. The sentence with cycle chalaunu is cycle chalauna स्वास्थ्यको लागि राम्रो मानिन्छ. Cycle chalauna स्वास्थ्यको लागि राम्रो मानिन्छ. Cycle चलाउन स्वास्थ्यको लागि राम्रो मानिन्छ. Cycling is considered good for health. Here, स्वास्थ्य means health. For your information, you can use चलाउनु verb with machines as well. Machine चलाउनु or computer चलाउनु or phone चलाउनु. So, the word chalaunu can be used in various contexts. Moving on to the next, रुख चढ्नु. रुख चढ्नु, to climb tree. उसले ठुलो आँपको रुख चढ्यो. उसले ठुलो आँपको रुख चढ्यो. उसले ठुलो आँपको रुख चढ्यो. He climbed a big mango tree. To swim, पौडी खेल्नु. पौडी खेल्नु. मलाई पौडी खेल्न आउँदैन नि. तपाईलाई आउँछ? मलाई पौडी खेल्न आउँदैन नि. तपाईलाई आउँछ? मलाई पौडी खेल्न आउँदैन नि. तपाईलाई आउँछ? I don't know how to swim, do you? Moving on to the next, to watch birds. चराहरू हेर्नु. चराहरू हेर्नु. In Nepali language, when you add haru, it makes the word into the plural. So, चराहरू हेर्नु. बिहान चराहरू हेर्दा आनन्द लाग्छ. बिहान चराहरू हेर्दा आनन्द लाग्छ. बिहान चराहरू हेर्दा आनन्द लाग्छ. It is a pleasure to watch the birds in the morning. Next word is remember. To remember is याद गर्नु. याद गर्नु. The sentence with याद गर्नु. मैले तपाईले भनेको सबै कुरा याद गरे. मैले तपाईले भनेको सबै कुरा याद गरे. मैले तपाईले भनेको सबै कुरा याद गरे. I remembered everything you said. Now, the next verb is to speak. बोल्नु. बोल्नु. उहाँले कति मिठो नेपाली बोल्नु हुँदो रहेछ. उहाँले कति मिठो नेपाली बोल्नु हुँदो रहेछ. उहाँले कति मिठो नेपाली बोल्नु हुँदो रहेछ. He really speaks Nepali very well. Next verb is to dance. नाच्नु. नाच्नु. ऊ कस्तो राम्रो नाच्छ. ऊ कस्तो राम्रो नाच्छ. ऊ कस्तो राम्रो नाच्छ. He dances really well. Now, the final verb today is to bath or to take shower. नुहाउनु. नुहाउनु. अफिसबाट घर जाने बित्तिकै म नुहाउँछु. अफिसबाट घर जाने बित्तिकै म नुहाउँछु. अफिसबाट घर जाने बित्तिकै म नुहाउँछु. I shower as soon as I go home from the office. So that's all in the today's session. I hope you enjoyed all the verbs together with each sentence. Please try to make more sentence using the verb because verb is very important part of a sentence. If you know the verb, you can guess or even you can understand the whole sentence or context. So I recommend you to memorize as much verb as possible because this is the most important part of a sentence. With this, thank you everyone. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Namaste.